Today I'm going to talk to you about the watch window that is available to you in Excel. If you go to the Formulas tab, you will see an icon, and it's called Watch Window. Now let me explain what I'm doing to start with in this sheet. I have the grades for all of the students in a class here, and then I have calculated the average for the class average at the bottom here. You'll note it's 62.48. But if you notice again, Robbie has a 0 because I have not completed calculating his grades yet. So what I'm going to do is I'd like to see what my calculations do to the class average. So I'm going to click on Watch Window, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add Watch, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the class average, and then I'm going to click on Add. So let's go over and calculate Robbie's marks and see how that affects the class average. So let's go to the Robbie sheet, and I'll move this over or this down maybe a little so you can see. Okay, so to calculate the grades, multiply what they've received on each of these individual items and multiply it by the weighting of this item. Now, so for the first one, it'll be 80 times 0.3. And so now you can see that the average at this stage is 24. Now, our total class average has changed to 67. Now, so let's drag this down and let's calculate the next one. So now his average is at 46.5, and our class average has changed to 71.78. We were able to see that. Not only does it tell you what the value is, it tells you where it's coming from, and it also tells you what the formula is that you're calculating this by. Okay, so let's drag it down one more time. And so his final average is 73, and the class average is 77.14 now. So we can also have a watch going to another sheet as well. So if, for example, I had a sheet with all of my classes on it, so let's drag this one over. And so this is all the classes that I'm teaching, or in a school or something else. So you see my 77.14 is here, but let's also watch the 71.035, which is the average of all the classes. So let's add another watch. So let's click on that for starters. Let's add another watch from a totally different sheet, and let's click Add. Okay, so now we have the two that we're watching, one from this sheet and one from the other sheet. So let's go back to the first sheet, and let's go to the totals. So let's say Roger, they had a problem with Roger. So let's go into Roger's marks, and they found that he was cheating or something like that on his final. So let's say his final went from 92 to 20. So we have this watch window open, and now with him getting a 20%, you can see that it has changed our class average to 71 and all of our class averages to 69. So that's how you can use the watch window to watch other things that are affected by the calculations that you do. Please subscribe.